Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about infix, postfix, and prefix expressions and notations. Expression means that is a plus b and a minus b, a into b. These are the expressions. We use variables and operators. Variables are a and b. Operators are arithmetic operators. Using these variables and operators, we use one notation that is called expression. What is infix expression? Infix means we using operator in middle. The traditional method of writing mathematical expressions is called infix expressions. It is of the form operand, operator, and operand. The operator is comes from in between the operand. As the name suggests, here the operator is fixed inside between the operands. Example a plus b. Here the plus operator is placed inside between the two operators. A into b divided by q. Such expressions are easy to understand and evaluate for human beings. However, the computer finds it difficult to parse. Information is needed about operator precedence and associativity rules and brackets that override these rules. Hence, we have postfix and prefix notations which make the computer take less effort to solve the problem. What is postfix expression? The postfix expression, as the name suggests, has the operator placed right after the two operands. It is the form operand, again operand, then operator. In the infix expressions, it is difficult to keep track of the operator precedence, whereas here the postfix expression itself determines the precedence of operators, that is the operator which occurs first operates on the operand. Example pq minus a slash. Here minus operation is done on p and q and then slash is applied on c and the previous result. The postfix expression is a parenthesis free expression for evaluation. We evaluate it from left to right. This is the associativity rule. Infix expression. Infix expression or mathematical expressions where the operator is placed between its operands. This is the most common mathematical notation used by humans. For example, the expression 2 plus 3 is an infix expression where the operator plus is placed between the operands 2 and 3. In infix notation, operators are placed between the operands they operate on. For example, in the expression 2 plus 3, the addition operator plus is placed between the operands 2 and 3. Parentheses are used in infix notation to specify the order in which operations should be performed. For example, in the expression 2 plus 3 into 4, the parentheses indicate that the addition operation should be performed before the multiplication operation. So, it is denoted within the bracket. So, we have to give the first precedence for the bracket. Operator precedence rules for common mathematical operators. Operators are open parenthesis and close parenthesis, exponents or square, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. The parenthesis and square have higher precedence, multiplication and division medium precedence, addition and subtraction have lower precedence. Example for infix expression is a plus b. The operator should be in middle of the operands. Prefix expression, the operator should be in before the operand, that is plus a and b. Postfix expression, the operator should be after the operands. Operands are a, b, operator is plus. Another example for infix expressions a plus b into c. Um, if we denoted in b into c within the bracket, so we perform the first in the brackets. Prefix expressions plus a plus into bc. Postfix expression is abc into c into plus. This is the example for expressions. infix and postfix and prefix expressions. Postfix expressions evaluation. The postfix expressions, also known as reverse Polish notation, is a mathematical notation in which every operator follows all of its operands. For example, the infix expressions 2 plus 3 into 4 becomes 2, 3, 4 into and plus in postfix. Infix expression is within the bracket a plus b into within the bracket c minus d. So we have to perform first within the bracket. AB operator comes last plus CD operator comes last. In within this bracket in between star is here. The multiplication is in postfix expression we have to denote at last. This is the example for infix and postfix expressions. One more example is denoted in next line. Approaches to convert infix expression to postfix. What are the rules we have to follow? Uh, First, scan the infix expressions from left to right. Left to right is the associativity rule. This is infix expressions. If the scanned character is an operand, print it. If the operand means we have to print. Else, if the precedence of the scanner operator is greater than the precedence of the operator in the stack, or the stack is empty, or the stack contains a or parenthesis, push the character into the stack. Else, pop all the operators from the stack which are greater than or equal to in precedence than that of the second operator. After doing that, push and the scanned operator to the stack. If the scanned character is an open parenthesis, push it into the stack. If the scanned character is an closed parenthesis, pop the stack and output it until a open is encountered and discard both the parentheses. Repeat step 2 and 5 until the entire infix expression is scanned. Print the output. Pop and print the output from the stack until it is not empty. This is the rules for converting infix expressions to postfix. Postfix expressions evaluation. First example is expression is 7 4 minus 3 into 1 5 plus division and multiplication. This is the expressions we have to uh, follow the notations. First is 7 4 and minus 3 first in the stack. After that we have to perform multiplication. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Then minus 12 is stored in this stack. Then after the minus 12, another operand is 1 and 5. We add in the operand into the stack. Next operator is plus. Then perform the calculations. 5 plus 1 is 6. The 6 is stored on the stack. 7 minus 12 and 6. Next operator is slash. Then perform the calculations. 12 by 6 minus 2. Minus 12 by 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 is stored on the stack. Then last operator is multiplication. Minus 2 into 7 is minus 4. This is the format used in the stack for denoting the expressions. Step by step example for postfix expressions. 5 3 plus 8 2 minus then star. Step 1. Push the element 5. The stack state is 5. Example explanation. The value 5 is pushed onto the stack. Next element is 3. The stack state is 3. This value push to the next element of the stack. Next operator is plus. Plus stack hold the 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Pop 5 comma 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, push 8. Then we pop the two elements 5 and 3. After that using 8 only in this stack. After 8th element is stored on this stack, push 8. Next element is 2. First answer is 8, next element is 8, another element is 2. Push value to the 2. Next 8 comma 6. 6 means we pop the element 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Push 6. Multiplication 8 6 are 8 6 are 48. Pop 8 and 6. 8 6 are 48 only stored in the stack. Okay, thank you for watching this video.